Hi, how's it going, everyone? So we are out adding a quick little insurance on top of the hives. I got Mr. Lucas, the beekeeper. He's helping me. So what we have in here is a 25 pounds of sugar, and then we put like 4 cups of Bee Pro in here. This is similar to like our sugar cakes, but we're not making a cake. This is just added insurance. We got some artic blasts coming in. They're going to be cooped up, and some of our colonies, some of the smaller ones, you know, they got plenty of food on them, so we're not worried about the food wise. And let me see that hive too right quick, bud. All right, so they got food on them, but it's just to help make sure that they get the food directly on top of their heads. So it's simple. If you don't want to bake anything, if you just want to add a little bit of extra sugar to them, you put down some paper just like that right there on top of the frames, and then we put 3 or 4 cups of the sugar and then close them back up, and the moisture from the hive is going to harden this up, and then they'll be able to eat it, and it just gives them some extra food. It's added insurance. Come spring, if they haven't ate all through it, you can melt it down and make a syrup with it, so it doesn't go to waste. It's just an easy thing. A lot of beekeepers use this. You know, if you don't want to, okay, that's good. If you don't want to, you know, buy some pollen patties or well, the sugar patties or fondants or anything like that, it's an easy way to do it. It's simple, it's fast, it's not disturbing the bees much. You just put it on there, close everything up, and then go on to the next one. So let's pop that one up. Make sure the lid is on. There we go. Get that closed up for them. There we go. We'll have a look at these. So far, we've been pretty good on bees. We haven't lost but 2 colonies. So pleased with that. Again, just over here, put the paper on there. Give it a little smoke if you have it. We didn't bring a smoker with us, but the bees are definitely not going to be happy, so he's in his suit for sure. So that's just an easy way, easy insurance for those that want it. 1 more cup, and then like I said, the sugar will draw moisture. Even if you're worried about moisture, this is a good way to relieve some of the moisture in your hives. So the sugar will draw the moisture, it'll kind of harden up and help them out with some extra food on them. So all of our lids have this little feeder rim on it and stuff, so it fits flat on there. We don't have to worry about it. All right, y'all be keeping it real. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.